Welcome to Alice's Kitchen, compliment of the festive season. It's a merry time as we are about to celebrate Christmas. From Alice's Kitchen, we are going to be bringing you a series where we share with you some ideas of some desserts that you can serve during Christmas. So today we are making a red velvet Swiss roll. It's been filled with some fresh cream and topped with white chocolate and strawberries. So come on, let me show you, and this will feature on your table this Christmas. I'll take you through the ingredients that we are going to be using today. We've got 6 eggs at room temperature, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 cup corn flour or cornstarch, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence, and we've got red food coloring, which we are going to be using. It's the gel. We'll measure this one as we go until we've got the right color that we need. So before we start mixing, make sure you have preheated your oven to 180 degrees. And now we are going to start off by mixing our 6 eggs and the sugar, and we are going to whisk on high for 6 minutes or until it's nice and thick. As you can see, our eggs are nice and thick and they've increased in volume. You can see that. So now we are just going to add our vanilla extract, and we'll add our food coloring. So I've added about 2 teaspoons, and then we're just going to whisk that and see the color that we get. So you can see we've got that nice red color. So now we are going to stop our mixer, and I'll show you the next steps. So now the final step is we are going to sift our corn flour and our cocoa powder into this. Now very gently we'll fold that in until it's all mixed in. You may still see some traces of cocoa, and that's okay. Just want most of it to be mixed in. And then now our mixture is ready. We are going to pour it into our tin that we have prepared. It's a 30 by 24 centimeter tin that I'm using today. So I'll just show you as I do that. So now we are going to pour our mixture into our tin. I've lined it with parchment paper, and like I said before, it's a 30 by 24 centimeters. You can use a bigger one if you like. Just make sure you spread it out to the corners. And there's a reason why there's excess paper hanging out. It makes it easy when I'm lifting it up after it's cooked. And now I'm going to bake it in my oven, which I've preheated to 180. If it's fan forced, you want to reduce it to 160, and it's gonna be in there for 30 minutes. It bakes real quick, so don't overcook it. So now it's cooked, it's out of the oven. I'm just gonna leave it in here for a few minutes, and then I'll take it out and I'll show you how to flip it over in the next steps. So whilst it's still warm, I'll show you a little secret that will make it easy for the rolling. So I'm gonna put this cling film here, and then I'm gonna put the cooling rack, and what I'm trying to do is to flip it over in one movement. There we go, flipped over. Okay, so now my cake has completely cooled down. I've got my fresh cream that I've whipped, and I'm just going to spread it, making sure I get to the edges. So now I am going to fold. So for the folding, you can go this way or you can go the other way. I'm gonna go the other way, so I'm gonna go this way. So with the help of this, I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and tight. I'm going to use the paper to to lift it onto a plate and then I'll do the top. Beautiful. So now we've got it sitting on our plate. So for the top, I've just got a piping bag with a tip that I'm going to be using. You can do it whichever way you want. This is just the way that I want to do mine. The sides, I am just going to lightly spread some cream as well. To finish it off, I'm just going to sprinkle some white chocolate that I've just grated. So for the topping, you can use cream cheese or whatever topping of your choice. So you don't have to use fresh cream as your filling. You can go for cream cheese. And now I'm just going to finish off with some strawberries, just to give it that beautiful finish. And there you go. You've got your red velvet Swiss roll. And in a minute, we are gonna cut it so we can see what the inside looks like. So stay tuned.